just basically just fiberglass the top of this, take a mold of it, take it off, cut it, put it on the car, put the other fender on the car, get the lines to meet up, and then fiberglass over those two pieces once they're both locked in place. That makes sense. So quick rundown, stuck the new piece down, glue gunned that down to hold it in place, put a skim of fiberglass filler on there, just as a real temporary way of holding it together. Wait for that to dry, flipped it, put a strip of fiberglass on the underneath, put it back on the car, and then just ran some resin over the top. So the resin over the top is basically like a flow coat, just to help fill in the imperfections. Obviously it's way off from being finished, and I'm so impatient I couldn't resist. It's still really not dry yet, but you can see just running the flow coat over there helps kind of fill a lot of the imperfections. Obviously there's still some little bits there, but you know, obviously I've got another layer of fiberglass to go over this, but just wanted to give myself a nice flat surface. So yeah, I'm going to leave that till tomorrow. So we'll click to tomorrow. all that work is basically just for a little infill. Make sure I've got something to bolt to the bumper, and it will be part of the wing eventually. So everything's held in place by glue at the moment, and the bit I spent hours doing, minutes for you, is completely hidden in there. You can see further in, it's just sitting in there. Eventually what I want to do is have it go all the way up the side. This is just stuck down, but I've got to the point where I've started playing around with various bits and pieces, but yeah, getting little lines even, get everything nice. So everything is, so it's basically just holding on its own, which is great. This is, it's got one more layer to go obviously, and I have run out of fiberglass filler because I was going to skim all the way across the top here. That little piece broke off, so I need to fix that. So everything is in place. Everything where it needs to be. Well, actually, no, tell a lie, that needs to be there. Obviously, you need to trim this shape here, but everything is on as it should be. And so next, along with, like I said, I've run out of materials. Next will be running a light skim of fiberglass filler over this. That doesn't need much at all. Really light skim, just to even it all up, just to make sure that that's looking nice and flat, not wavy or crazy or dipping or anything like that. After that's done, I'll do 2 layers of fiberglass on the inside of this, and that should meet to this. Once that's done, I can do the final layer of fiberglass. That is going to be pretty nerve-wracking, I think. It should be pretty interesting, but it shouldn't be too difficult because it's just one layer of fiberglass. So I'll really wet this out, get that completely covered with resin, kind of leave it on the car obviously because I want everything to just lock in position. So mask everything up, cover it all, soak that in resin once it's keyed up, and put that one layer, or that last layer of fiberglass over there, then the layer of peel ply, and then we'll be done. So hope you guys enjoyed that. Stressful one for me, but making good progress. So getting very close to having this nearly done. And well, what I really want to do is hope in the next kind of episode, next 2 episodes, just put light coat of primer on it just to see what it looks like, not like that. Other side is making progress as well. We've got the top section all cut out, ready to go. That's all cut up, ready to go. The slot's cut, ready to go. We just need to do the supports on there and then basically repeat this whole process. But I'm not going to show you that because, same old stuff. I'm so tired, I can't think. Alright, I'll see you guys in the next episode. Take care.
Subscribe, you fools.